I'll start with all the parts clean. Here's the case, and I'll get this disc in position. This is the settings disc, of course, for the diaphragm blades. Now I just have to interleave all these blades and fit them in place. Now this is a little bit fiddly, I have to say that. And the reason I'm wearing the gloves, of course, is to keep my greasy fingers off the blades. But if you're careful and you watch what I do, you'll see how I interleave the blades. And hopefully they'll fit into the shutter neatly once I'm done. It's important at this stage that I don't drop the blades because I'll have to start all over again. I've had to practice this quite a bit to get this correct. One of the big advantages of doing this way is not only is it quite quick when you get it down practiced and you're good at it, you don't need any special jig. Getting the last couple of blades in is always a trial. Now I've just got to swing these blades into position. Make sure that nothing's out of place. Just nudge those blades a bit into position, I think. Looking to see if they're all symmetrical. Everything's got to be symmetrical, otherwise of course it won't drop into position correctly. The pins we're seeing uppermost there, they go in the cover plate. The pins below are the ones we're worried about here. They have to drop into those slots. Now I lift my rosette of leaves into position here. It looks like it's going all right. Might have to settle them a bit, I think, to get it seated. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good. The cover plate. That's going to need a push too to seat that, I would think. Yeah. I think that's clicked into position. Hopefully I don't move anything while I get the screws in place. My eyes aren't what they used to be. This last screw in place. Flaming magnetic tweezers. Now it'll line up the setting ring. Yeah, I think I've got that. Yeah, that's right. Now I'm getting the screws in. I better fit the setting lever. Make sure you have the setting lever coming up on the right side of the case. And can I get this second screw started easily? Yeah, that's lined up. Check and see if the diaphragm moves smoothly in a minute, I think. Let's get that screw tightened up. Yeah, that's looking like it's working well. I think I'll call that one a success.